What if I told you one of the most frustrating parts of keto might actually be a sign that your body is doing exactly what it's supposed to do? I'm talking about plateaus. You're doing everything right, keeping carbs low, staying consistent, maybe even feeling better than you have in years. And then suddenly, the scale just stops. No movement, no reward, just that quiet feeling of what's going on. Before you start second guessing yourself, I want to walk you through three powerful shifts that can completely change how you see and handle plateaus on keto. First, let's talk about what's really happening during a plateau. Your body is not broken. In fact, it's incredibly smart. When you first start keto, you often see quick results, but over time, your metabolism adapts. As you lose weight, your body needs less energy to function. It becomes more efficient, which means fat loss can slow down temporarily. This is your body recalibrating, not failing. Add in factors like stress, sleep, and hormones, and it becomes clear that weight loss is never just about food. So instead of asking, why isn't this working? A better question is, what is my body adjusting to right now? That simple shift alone can take a lot of pressure off. Second, the scale is not the whole story. This is where a lot of people get tripped up. If the number isn't dropping, it's easy to feel like nothing is happening. But progress on keto goes far beyond the scale. Maybe your clothes are fitting looser. Maybe your cravings are way down. Maybe your energy is more stable throughout the day. These are what we call non-scale victories, and they matter. In many cases, your body is improving internally long before it shows up externally. When you start paying attention to these wins, something powerful happens. You stay motivated. You realize you're still moving forward, even if the scale hasn't caught up yet. And third, patience is not passive, it's strategic. This might be the most important shift of all. In today's world, we're used to fast results, but sustainable fat loss doesn't work that way. Plateaus are often the phase where your body is stabilizing the progress you've already made. It's like your system is saying, let's lock this in before we go further. And this is where most people quit, right before the next breakthrough. The ones who succeed are the ones who stay consistent during this phase. They keep things simple: protein first meals, staying hydrated, managing stress, getting enough sleep. They trust the process instead of fighting it. And then, almost out of nowhere, progress starts again. So if you're in a plateau right now, I want you to hear this clearly. You're not stuck. You're in a transition phase. Your body is adapting, strengthening, and preparing for the next step. Stay consistent. Focus on what's working, and give your body the time it needs to respond. If this helped you see your journey a little differently, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple, practical keto tips and mindset shifts that actually work in the real world. And if you're going through a plateau right now, drop a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear what you're experiencing. You've got this. Stay the course.